Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover the real truth behind the products you're curious about. If you've ever struggled with mascara that flakes, smudges, or just doesn't lift your lashes the way you want, you know how frustrating it can be. Well, today we're taking a close look at Revlon's So Fierce Eyes Wide Open Mascara, designed to give extreme lift and volume with its push-up brush. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any honest reviews like this. This mascara comes in a sleek 0.24 fell-outs tube and promises a lot. Lifted, voluminous lashes that last up to 24 hours, all while being smudge-proof and flake-resistant. The formula is called LiftLash, which is meant to feel weightless but still provide dramatic lift. And the push-up brush is uniquely designed to grip even the tiniest lashes for maximum effect. It's available in 3 shades, Blackest Black, Black, and Black Brown, so you can choose the intensity that suits your look. When I first tried this mascara, I was immediately drawn to how lightweight the formula felt on my lashes. Unlike some volumizing mascaras that weigh lashes down or clump, this one glides smoothly and separates each lash beautifully. The push-up brush is definitely a game changer. It curves perfectly to the lash line, giving lift right from the root without much effort. In my real-world testing, I applied it both in the morning and for a night out, and it maintained its lift and volume without smudging or flaking. Even on my lower lashes, which usually get messy quickly, it stayed put. On the flip side, I did notice that building up multiple layers can get a bit stiff if you're not careful, so a light hand is key for the perfect look. What I love about this mascara is how it balances dramatic volume with everyday wearability. It's easy to use, the brush design is intuitive, and the formula doesn't irritate my eyes or weigh lashes down. On the downside, if you're someone who prefers a super wet formula for intense curl, you might find it a little drier than expected. Value-wise, I think Revlon has done a solid job here. The performance is impressive for the price point, especially when you consider the smudge-proof, flake-resistant claims that actually hold up. Compared to other high-end volumizing mascaras, this one holds its own, giving comparable lift and separation without the steep price tag. For those looking for an alternative on a tighter budget, there are a few drugstore mascaras that offer similar volume, but they often fall short on lift or wear time. The packaging is standard for Revlon, sturdy, easy to handle, and the brush fits comfortably in the hand. Longevity is strong. I was able to wear it throughout a busy day and evening without touch-ups, and removal was smooth without excessive tugging. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Revlon's customer reputation is solid, and I haven't had to reach out for support personally, but they're generally known for responsive service if needed. In summary, Revlon's So Fierce Eyes Wide Open Mascara delivers on its promise of extreme lift and volume, with a brush that actually works and a formula that lasts all day. It's best suited for those who want dramatic lashes without clumping, smudging, or constant touch-ups. If you're looking for a mascara that keeps your lashes lifted, separated, and bold, this one is worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to grab this mascara is in the comments or description box. If you've tried it already, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.